It is that time of the year where your HR deducts tax from your salary, flipping all your tax calculations. This can mostly happen if your CTC has changed after you submit the investment proofs to the HR, or if you are completely new to this income tax game. Tax deduction from salary may happen for 1 month or up to 3 months depending on your tax liability. Such a deduction will leave you with less cash at hand. We still have some time left until the end of this financial year. You can claim a refund on the taxes deducted by making smart investment choices before it is too late. Hi, I'm Apurva from ClearTax. Here's our recommendation of a smart investment choice, Public Provident Fund (PPF). In short, PPF is a government-backed retirement benefit scheme that provides income tax benefits. The account offers safe, secure, and guaranteed returns on your investment as it is government-backed. The contributions made towards a PPF account gets triple tax benefits. That is, the amount invested, the interest earned, and the maturity amount are all exempt from tax. You can invest up to Rs 1.5 lakh in a PPF account per financial year. The tenure of the PPF account is 15 years. You don't have to make a single lump sum payment towards this account. You have the option to invest regularly, such as on a monthly, quarterly, or half-yearly basis. This option makes it easier for people from all sections of the society to make contributions towards the PPF account. A minimum investment of Rs 500 per financial year will keep your account up and active. You can open a PPF account by linking it to your existing Aadhaar-linked savings account. Set standing instructions on your savings account such that a specific amount will be auto-transferred to the PPF account on a monthly basis. What else should you know about PPF? PPF investments are exempt from taxes under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act up to a limit of Rs 1.5 lakh per financial year. If the contribution exceeds Rs 1.5 lakh limit, the excess contribution will not receive any interest. If the minimum contribution of Rs 500 is not made in a financial year, a penalty of Rs 50 will be levied in addition to the minimum contribution of that particular financial year. A PPF account has a lock-in period of 15 years. After 15 years, you have the option to extend the account in the block of 5 years. You can avail this extension as many times as you wish. Interest is calculated on the lowest balance between the closing balance of the 5th day and the last day of every month. Interest is compounded annually and credited at the end of every financial year. The interest rate on PPF is fixed by the government and is linked to 10-year government security. The rate may be revised on a quarterly basis. You can make partial withdrawals every year after the 7th year of deposits. After 5 financial years, you can make a withdrawal if there is an emergency need for medical or educational purposes. The maximum amount for premature withdrawals is 50% of the account balance at the end of 4th financial year, or 50% of the account balance at the end of the fiscal year preceding the current year, whichever is lower. The financial year for PPF starts at the end of the fiscal year in which the first deposit towards PPF is made. For example, if your first deposit towards PPF was made on 20 October 2020, then the financial year calculation for this PPF account will start from 1 April 2021. You are not allowed to close a PPF account before completing 15 financial years. Now, don't you think PPF is the smart choice to claim refund of the tax deducted from your salary? Since you can open the account online, you can make the tax-saving investment just in an instant. For more information on PPF, click on the link provided in the description. Like and share this video. Leave comments on what else you would like ClearTax to help you with. Thank you.